I'm finna get some of that. You know I gotta get that. My boy ain't playing, man. Yes, sir. That boy nice in that thing, y'all. Nice. Snake eye. Yeah, look into the eyes of it. What's up? Look into the eyes of a true cobra. I ain't playing games. I ain't never sober. I been going hard on them niggas, man. I been going hard on them niggas, man. I ain't playing game with no sucker nigga. I ain't playing game with no clucker nigga. A lot of y'all niggas been fuck boy. Y'all see me, I don't play with you. Shit, I'm out here living my life to the fullest. I never know when the end can be. I'm riding to the end, you see. I'm gonna do my thing. I'm gonna keep moving on. I'm gonna keep moving on. I'm gonna keep moving on. Yeah, I see it. I see it. I see these people. And they slam to the ground. I love that shit. I love it, man. I'm growing. These cars is growing on me. These static cars slam to the ground, cambered, all that shit. That shit growing on me. I'm finna show y'all how to broke car. Y'all already know. Yeah, man. The two-step guard. Two-step guard. Two-step guard. Let's talk, y'all. My boy say he talk dirty to you. Two-step guard. Y'all look at this fool right here in this damn Jeep. He going crazy. I don't know what's wrong with him. He upset or something. He just going crazy. Look at him. Look at him. I hope he make it, y'all. All right, God, please be with him. I just hope he make it. I hope he make it home safe and sound and unharmed. Just ask God to guide him there. Guide him there. That's all I do. I just ask God. I pray for him, y'all. I really mean that sincerely. From the bottom of my heart. Y'all see it? Clean and sound good. Yeah, that ain't playing. But yeah, back to my guy though. Two-step guard. If you know, you know, man. If you know, you know, man. If you know, you know, man. Mr. Witty himself, man. If you know, you know, man. Mr. Witty himself, man. If you know, you know, man. Yeah, they ain't playing. They got him out here. Yeah, hold on. Let me get this camera right for y'all, man. Yeah, man, they ain't playing, man. They got him out here, man. Mr. Witty himself, man. Mr. Two-Step. The God two-step. The Don two-step. Two-step, two-step. Can't nobody two-step unless he two-step. You did. Yes, that's what he doing. And if you two-step, he gonna 10-step. My guy ain't playing no game. That's Mr. Bust It Out. Mr. Pop his shit. He pop his shit. You feel me? Yeah, man. They got him out here, man. It's a free out here. It ain't like it was, you know. At the other spot, it was crazy, crazy. So it's just a free out here. But it's, hey, we still nice. We still nice. That's bro right there with the little car, almost 1,000 horsepower, 900 plus. Yeah, that's him. That thing nice, bro. Okay, y'all see the cat getting up through there? Y'all see the cat? Cat work. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, we got the Supra. We got the Supra coming in. Supra coming in hot. Supra coming in hot. Hey, 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 hey. We ain't playing no game, man. We out here, man. Hey, back to that pretty motherfucker, man. You know that purple thing, man. Back to it, man. Let's get nasty with it. Let's get nasty with it. Ooh, 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 ooh. Let's get nasty with it. Yeah. Yeah. That's that purple thing, man. Yes, sir. We ain't playing no games out here. We definitely in. We in it to win it, man. Let's zoom in on little baby out there. Ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Little baby go crazy, too. Yes, sir. Snap out. Cleaning Marvel, Protege 5 in the world. Craig, said that. Mean that. Stand on it. Poof. There we go. Yeah, motion. Bro clean in this joint, bro. No cap. What, he cut it off? Oh, man. I thought he was finna get busy for. He probably doing the right thing, though. Staying safe on a little safe move out here. Now, that rap is retarded, bro. That rap is dumb. Ooh. Okay. I get it. I get it. I get it. Oh, y'all see my boy? Y'all see him? He ain't playing, man. One more time. What? One more time. One down. One more time. Ooh, y'all see him? Y'all see him? Y'all see that boy, man? Y'all see him, bro? He ain't playing, bro.
Should I do recording?
I ain't ready. E. Oh, he gonna knock his food out the back of that car.
Hey, Nick, watch out.
No, he's gonna move it. He's gonna move it. You're gonna move it, right? Yeah.
I'm saying.
You're good.
That boy finna make that thing get busy, y'all. That thing gonna do. Hey, I like this shit, man. I like it, man. Man, what y'all eating over there, man? These people ain't playing, bro. You see the plates? Yes, sir. Oh, and we eat good at the meat. It ain't just a meat, it's a place we eat. You did. Yeah, I already know. We already ate over there. We had the quesadillas.
Missing the whole show.
Nah, I ain't missing nothing. I'm gonna kill this. I'm definitely getting this. See, I'm gonna get dead on the back here.
I ain't trying to burn up.
Shit, I'm ready.
That was crazy. Holy shit.
Huh?
Whoa. Hey, do it. Hey, drop it like that. Drop it like that. Hell yeah. Do it again. Do it again.
Oh, shit!
Keep going.
Fuck, I can't hear.
Spit the flames.
Haley, what in the
That's how we get it. That's how we get it. We ain't playing, shot it. That's how we get it. That's how we get it. We ain't playing, shot it.
My phone.
What the fucking loud?
There's the speakers.
Another 50K on YouTube right there, wait.
Shit.
Another 50K on
My ears.
Shit.
Oh, if I don't hear people on the freeway, sorry, bro.
Everybody, hey, we got a competition going on, guys.
Hey, how many on you got to get 50K on them? Cause I know. I asked how many on they got 50K. Oh man, got that. You feel? I just go to the hood and put the hood on there and run up 100K in a day. It's snapping, going crazy.
The only reason they haven't said nothing.
We do 100. We do 100, like 100. Boy, we don't play kind. We make it sunny and shine. Oh, I got that joint so stupid. So I'm gonna get that joint so quick and easy. I'm gonna get all the way down there with it. Yeah, plug up and get there. That boy busting though. I want brother need to go and set that thing off. That's something crazy. Bro, you gonna set yours out?
Huh?
You gonna set yours out?
No.
You man, you
Hey,
you
yo.
don't need to.
You guys ready?
Everybody say with it on three.
The breathing dragon, yes sir. The breathing dragon, yes sir.
Hey, now do it like that.
The breathing dragon, and he
Do it
dropped it
drop.
on him.
Do
Got
it
dirty
again.
with him.
Do it
Got
while it's dropped.
dirty on him.
Oh, I think Eco Snake got you, DeLeon.
No.
Hell yeah.
Nobody got me.
Eco Snake's
He's,
taking
he,
some
he-
trouble tonight.
he's out here.
Nobody got Snake.
No. No.
Oh, Eco. Let me hear it. Let me hear yours.
You got the
No,
silencer.
that's not, I gotta do too much. No, it's too much. It's too much. The helicopters.
I'm messing with you. DeLeon's got
Hey,
it.
the chopper will be out.
I'm just fucking around.
If it was for me,
DeLeon's got it. DeLeon's got it.
I don't want to burn the spot.
Let me do over there. Let me do over there.
Go, Eco Boost.
Hey, wait, hold on, let's take a bite.
Mm.
Boom, boom. Do it again.
Go ahead.
Yes, sir. Good shit, bro. Good shit, bro.
Like next time.
I don't want to swap my muffler.
Bro, chill. Wait till you go. Wait till you come late. Wait till you come late. We're gonna go crazy. We're gonna go crazy.
You know what would happen
We're
if
gonna
I
go
swapped
crazy.
the muffler right now?
We're gonna go crazy, man.
Yeah, that shit.
We're gonna go
hey,
crazy, bro.
The choppers.
We're gonna go crazy, bro. We're going crazy. All fun. You know that.
The third time.
Wait. It got it.
You know I'm
If not,
snapping up.
I got back up right here. He
You
got
know I'm
everything.
snapping. Yeah, for sure.
He
You know I got it all, bro.
We got, you know what I mean?
You know I got
Get
it
that
all,
footage.
You know
Fuck
I
yeah.
got it all. Bro, I got some footage. I got some footage. You gonna have to see this yourself. See, my YouTube go crazy. My shit gonna go crazy. You see the views I got on video? I'm busting 100K like it ain't shit.
Yes, sir. I saw the videos.
I'm going crazy on video, but I do a lot of shit on my channel.
that's
My channel ain't one thing. You know what I'm saying? It ain't one track minded. We do a lot of shit on my channel. And see, another thing with me is I don't need none of that shit to make my bread. You feel me? My shit always. I'm solidified in the street. The streets don't owe me nothing. I don't owe the streets nothing. I come out and hang out with my friends all day, every day, and kick it. Hey, bro, I love your car, bro. For sure, I love your shit. That shit nice. Hey, that's how you get a man his props too, squad. You feel me? That's how you get a man his props, bro. You let him know, man.
That's right.
Hey, we ain't got no hate in our blood, bro. We don't get down like that. Hey, may the best man win, and at the moment, may the best man shine. You feel me? That's just how we get down. That's how we get down. Everybody need to be like that. Everybody should think like that. Instead of trying to talk about the next nigga, bring a nigga down. Hey, say something to uplift a motherfucker. Before bro hit the switch on your ass and uplift this motherfucking sting on your ass again. Hey, yeah. That's how they shining out here, bro. These boys living out here. These boys living. Oh, they calling you out, bro. They said they will fuck you up in the little orange thing. They are not playing. Y'all see it in the little orange thing. They are not playing. Look at them. Ooh. 0 to 60 in 0.4 seconds.
0.45 weeks.
Oh, shit. That boy said 0.45 weeks. Damn. I ain't never heard that one, y'all. Supra. Them the guys with the cars. Hey, I forgot the other young dude name that got that. What the fuck is that car?
Badge?
So
Which one?
it's that weird ass car. I forgot what they call it. It's clean as shit, but it's the fuck is that? Hold on.
What does it look like?